Hi all, welcome to Kotha channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove background of any image with Python. With just simple 5 lines of code, you can remove background of any image. You don't need any extra tools, you don't need any softwares, you don't have to upload your image into any website. Within that span of time, you will be able to remove the background of an image with this simple code. So without wasting time, let's jump into the video. First open the terminal. For this one you need two Python libraries. One is rembg. I'm trying to install them. Pip install rembg. Let it install. I have already installed, so that's the reason it is showing this message, requirement already satisfied. Now I'm installing another Python library which is pillow. Pip install pillow. This one is also I have already installed in my system. So if you are new to this, just install these two Python libraries. One is pillow and another one is rembg. Okay, now let's get started. I'm creating a new file. First import from rembg, import remove. Let me increase the font here. Okay. Second line from pillow import image. Okay, just running this one. Yeah, everything is fine. Now here I have the image, puppy image, which I have shown you guys. Okay, this is the image. Let me open here. So this is the whole image. For this, from this image I'm going to remove the background. So this background, grass and flowers will be removed with this code. Okay, just coming here. Okay, now input image equals to image dot open. Where this image is available, this image is available in this folder. So I'm just copying this path and even the image path as well, copy.jpg. Copying this entire path, again coming here, just okay, I'm just adding this escaping characters. Okay, now next one is output underscore image equals to remove of input image. Now let's save the output image. Output underscore image dot save. In the same location I'll be saving this one with puppy underscore without bg. I'm just running it out. See, Java has completed. Oh, it has some message error. Put image dot save. Cannot write. Okay, I have to change the data type. Here it will not saving it as .jpg. We have to save it as .png. Now running it. Yes, the code has been successfully executed. And let's see, here it should have been created one. Yeah, see here it has created image without pg. Here is the image, our main image, and here is the image without any background. See here, the image puppy with the background and everything is there, and here it is without any images, without any background. See here, this is the actual image and this is the image after removing the background. Let's decode the code. The first line is importing the remove functionality from rembg, and second one is importing the image functionality from pillow. Okay, these two are the importing the libraries. And third line is reading that source image file which you want to remove the background. And fourth line is passing that image to remove the background. For this remove functionality, just need to pass the source image. and final fifth line is just saving that output image into the specific folder. So just with this 5 lines of code, you can remove the background of any image. Out of these 5 lines are to import the libraries, only 3 lines are code. So like this, you can remove the background of any image with this just simple 5 lines of code. It can do the wonders. All the best to your projects. Try to use wherever it is possible. If you find this video is very useful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.